Hey everybody, I wanted to take a quick look at an app that I've been using a ton since I've transitioned to virtual learning called Screencastify. I've been using this a lot when I'm talking through agendas for the week with my students. If I have to describe a certain project to them and they may need to see my face for that, this has been pretty helpful because students just like to see things more than once. And when you record something, you don't have to keep saying it again and again and again. So this is a free extension that you can add on through Chrome. I'm here at screencastify.com. If we click the blue button and add to Chrome, this will take us to the Chrome Web Store, which is what you want. They give you more feedback and information about Screencastify. And we're going to hit add to Chrome. It'll then give you a heads up as to what Screencastify can do. Display notifications, communicate with cooperating websites, capture content of your screen. All of those things are okay. So hit add extension. It'll take a little bit of time to download what you need. You'll then see this arrow appear in your top right corner, most likely. And so if you wanted to get started filming a video of whatever you need to look at on Google Chrome, you can hit the arrow. And of course, you have to sign in with Google first. This is helpful because all of the videos will be linked to your Google Drive account, so you can reference them as you need to. You'll be asked to use the microphone and drawing tools. And once you're all set up, you can start to film what you need. So if we hit the arrow in the top right corner, we can decide if we want to film the webcam only, our desktop, or our browser tab. We can select which microphone we want to use. I'm going to use my headset, and I'm going to use the FaceTime camera on my laptop. And I think this is just going to build, or let's see, I'll probably want the external one. So this is going to record me talking through my headset. So let's see what this looks like when we hit record. And we can also do a countdown if we like. So let's just keep the countdown at 3 seconds. And then boom, we're recording. This is nice, it's easy to use. We can pause this if we're stuck or just need a quick break. We can hit resume, and then when we're done, we can hit stop. You'll then be taken to a new page where you can look at the tools that are offered. You can trim the video. Let's say we're recording. This is nice. It's easy to use. Let's say that you make a slight error and you want to cut out we're recording. Something. You can do that pretty easily. And then boom, we're recording. Easy to use with Classroom and post there. Easy to publish to YouTube. If you need to download it, you can do that too. A lot of great features here. So yeah, Screencastify. If you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching.